This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Prepare to fall in love. Southern coastal style home with access to the Pasquotank River. Sought after Whitehall Shores Community includes boat ramp, beach and park. This home features a wraparound porch and large spacious rooms with open concept. This home includes first floor primary bedroom, office space, hardwood floors, granite countertops and kitchen and walk-in pantry. Laundry room has custom built-in shelves. Oversized 2-car side load garage with extra long driveway with room to park RVs or boats. Above-ground pool in working condition conveys, however has not been opened this season. Storage shed with electricity will convey. Backyard includes large deck with pergola and small patio area for grilling. 1-year Frist American Home Warranty included. Second floor HVAC will be replaced on or before July 15, 2022. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own this stunning home in Whitehall Shores. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.